Hello, my people. How are you guys doing? Is your lady, is your sister, Rososifo Home of Peace? Good day, everyone, wherever you are watching this video from. I just have a little message this evening titled Mother in Law. Yeah, Mother-in-law is the title of this message. Please listen and be blessed. Please, lady out there, if you are ready to marry a man and you know the man character, the kind of person is the man, and you insist to marry the man, please marry his mother alone. No matter how some of them can be a little bit difficult to deal with, put up with her because it's not easy. If there was no that woman, you could have not have your husband. If that woman could have terminated the pregnancy, you could have not have that man to call your husband. So why a lot of women are praying for their mother-in-law to die before they will marry the man? Please, my dear women out there, it's wrong. Whatsoever you know that when they do it to you, you will not be happy. Do not do it to someone else. Do not plant a seed that tomorrow that will grow and they will haunt you. Please, because whatsoever you are doing, if you maltreat your mother-in-law, your children are seeing you, they are looking you, thinking you are doing the right thing. What are you trying to learn the children? So you learn them that they need to maltreat their grandmother. That's what you are learning them. Is wrong. So dear people, no matter the situation, always learn how to control the situation. Do not be abusive to abuse your mother-in-law. Please abuse your husband. Do your husband whatever you want to do, even when a mother do what is not right. Instead of you to talk to your mother, go and talk to your husband. Yes, draw your husband inside and talk to him. He will listen to you, not his mother. Do never talk back at his mother. Do never insult his mother. You should not fight the mother. You should not say because you cannot do it for people not to say that you do it. You send somebody to help you to go and insult your mother-in-law. It's still you that did it. So my dear people, please do not enter into the man's life. Then you turn the man to turn enemy of his mother. It's wrong. No matter, we know sometimes some mother-in-law they can be they can be possessive, they can be, they want to be the one to decide. Even as that, put up with it. Put up with it, respect them. It's not easy. You see most of all those women, they were alone. The father of the man died long time. Only the woman suffer, bring up his children. Then now for him, the children is grow that he want to have a say. Just because you are a wife, you say your mother-in-law do not have a say. He have a say. Okay, it's important. We should learn how to live in peace with your mother-in-law, because tomorrow you also will become mother-in-law. When you do not treat your mother-in-law very well, tomorrow he will come back to you. Yes, if you have a son also, tomorrow he might go and marry the one that is worse than you, that will treat you. You will say hi, you will regret everything you do to your mother-in-law. Please, lady out there, if you be able to know the kind of character your husband have, and you be able to say you want to cope with it, please cope with his mother character also. Please, that is what his love is all about. Love conquer all. If you say you love a man, if you want, that's why marriage is not for boys. Marriage is not for men. It's not for girls. Marriage is for men and for women of wisdom. that can be able that can absorb some issue when it arises. That is who marriage is for. So when you are going into it, you still have your mother-in-law, you still have your father-in-law. My dear, if it's a counseling, go for counseling. You cannot go to your mother-in-law place. Your mother-in-law is washing plates, is cooking. Then you are inside room or you are in parlor watching TV. You are browsing on your phone while your mother-in-law is cleaning the house. Does it make any sense? Any normal human being will complain. We say that this my wife does not have character. He could have give me a helping hand. And it's true. If I be in a position, I will say the same thing. Me at my age, I cannot be doing the house chores. Then my daughter-in-law come and greet me. Just go and sit down in parlor, washing and browsing, and even eating for what I serve them. So he need to give me a helping hand. Yeah, it's important. So when a woman complains things like that, you cannot do anything. Please, you even help me wash toilet. You refuse. You start laying curse on the woman. Today, you bring the woman out that is a bad woman. Please, women, you have a son also. Whatsoever you do not want for someone to do to you, do not do it to someone else. It's not done. Don't do it because it's very important. Don't do it to someone else. You get me? Because some people, I don't really know what's wrong with people nowadays. I don't know what's wrong. You understand? Their heart is just wicked. They just think only themselves. They are so selfish. They are so self-centered. All they think about is just themselves. They did not consider someone else. They did not consider someone that carried the child for many months in his womb, and consider the woman that taught to make sure the child go to primary school, secondary school, and even up to university level. And the man come out, now you just because you just a woman that come out from one corner, you did not even want the mother to eat from his glory. You just want to cut the mother out. It's not right, because tomorrow also you will be mother-in-law. So whatsoever you do not want for someone to do it to you, do not do it to someone else. It's very important. Learn how to live in peace. If you want to have a happy marriage, learn how to live in peace with your mother-in-law. If you have not been in peace with your mother-in-law, if you have been the type that are blocking your husband to not attend to his family, my dear, let him, before you come into the man's life, his mother were his first woman in his life. His mother, yes, if you don't know, the first woman a man have in his life is his mother. Yes, it's his mother. That's why he pain a lot of mother, a lot, when their child turn against them just because of a woman. Because the woman have gone through a lot to see his child through. So you do not come to just turn the woman to say, what did you do? Now you are the capo of everything. Life is not like that. Things does not done that way. So my people, this is the message I just say let me bring this evening, because a lot of rumor, a lot of things that are going on in social media, a lot of mother-in-law that cry out is really not good. Our lady out there, please, let's learn how to live in peace. Let's learn how to do good thing. It's very important. Whatsoever you don't want someone to do it to you, do not do it to someone else. I love you guys. This is my message this evening. Good night. Ciao. God bless you. I hope you listen, you grab something from this message. God bless you guys. I'm dropping this in my YouTube channel. As you watch, I say thank you. Just like the video, leave a comment. It's very important for the video. Leave a comment, like the video, and thank you for my subscriber that will be subscribing. God bless you guys, and I really appreciate you guys. Very soon we will be coming on live in the name of God. Yes, with him all things is possible. Okay, and I believe with you guys also we will go a long way. God bless you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, it's your girl, it's your sister, Rososifo, Home of Peace. I love you guys.